Do you struggle with getting the family ready for back to school? You've probably bought the backpacks and school supplies, but have you taken a few minutes to get your family's medical information organized? Well, today I'm sharing 5 quick medical tasks to do before the next school year starts that can save you time and reduce stress all year long here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock, a certified professional organizer and the owner of Organizing Magic, LLC. I post a new organizing video every Friday, so hit that subscribe button and join me each week for practical organizing tips. The beginning of the school year is the perfect time to refresh your family's medical information and organize medications before life gets busy. So let's start with task number 1. Go through and review every medication. Gather every medication from around the house and check the expiration dates and safely dispose of anything that's expired or no longer needed. It is amazing how many old prescriptions and expired cold medicines accumulate over the years. I've certainly seen my fair share of this when I'm helping my clients organize their kitchen cabinets or bathroom cabinets or any place where medicine might be. And you would be amazed at how quickly things expire and how much can accumulate if left unchecked. So, this is a key step, and it can really help refresh your house as well as your medication plans for the year. Number 2 is to group medications by family member. So instead of keeping everything all mixed up together, you can start grouping things by the family member using labeled bins or baskets so that everyone knows exactly where their medications belong. It makes it much easier to find what you need when someone isn't feeling well. And of course, you can always have a more generic basket that has the common medicines that everyone might take, or things like all the Band-Aid supplies and ointments. Task number 3 is to update emergency information. Take a few minutes now to review your emergency contact information because let's face it, everything can change. Phone numbers change, addresses change, even your emergency contacts themselves may change. So make sure you have the most current information for your schools, daycares, babysitters, and caregivers. Task number 4 is to update your medical records. So, when your children go for their annual physical, make sure that you get copies of things like immunization records, current list of medications, allergy information, a child health form or medical summary for each child, and keep these things together in one folder so that they're easy to find. In fact, here's a tip. You can create a family medical binder that contains copies of all your insurance cards, your immunization records, lists of medications, allergy information, emergency contacts, and physician information all in one place for the whole family. That would be a great back to school project to work on today. And tip number 5 is to share information with coaches and activity leaders. So if your child is participating in sports, scouts, dance, music, or any other activity, make sure that these coaches and leaders have any medical information that they might need. And this includes things like allergies, medications, emergency contacts, and anything else that could become important during an activity. Now, remember, the goal is not to overwhelm these people with TMI. It's just making sure that the right people know what they need in order to keep your children safe when they're not at home with you. So, doing these 5 simple tasks, it does not take a long time. It should take you about 20 to 30 minutes, but they will save you so much time, frustration, and worry throughout the entire school year. Because when someone gets sick or needs medication or there's an unexpected emergency, you'll know exactly where everything is instead of having to, in a panic, search through drawers, medicine cabinets, or piles of paperwork. I also recommend setting a recurring reminder on your calendar for every summer so that you can repeat this quick medical refresh before each new school year begins. Keeping your family's medical information current is one of those organizing habits that will pay off all year long. If you found these tips helpful, I encourage you to share this video with another parent or grandparent who's getting ready for back to school season. It might save them a lot of stress when life gets busy. And I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.